Okay, sagutan natin itong isang question na ipiniem sa akin. So sabi niya, yan po ba sir, paano po ba to? Okay, so find the inverse of matrix A equals 5, 3, 1, 4. So meron tayong dalawang way para kuhanin ng inverse. So ipapakita ko sa inyo parehas. Okay? So to get the inverse of matrix, gagamitin natin yung formula na A times ang kanyang inverse, so ang symbol ng inverse A to the negative 1, equal dapat yan sa identity matrix. Okay, so ang identity matrix na 2 by 2, ibig sabihin yan, yung diagonal ay 1 and the rest ay 0. Okay, so sagutan natin, ito yung hinahanap natin, itong A inverse. So para makuha itong inverse ng matrix, so gagaroon tayo ng, ito yung, gamitin natin itong formula A times A inverse equals I. So, kopyahin lang natin ito, 5. Itong matrix A natin, 5, 3, 1, 4. Tapos, ang sinosolve natin ay yung A inverse. So, yung A inverse, hindi natin alam, lagyan natin ng mga letters. A, B, C, D. Tapos, equal daw siya sa identity matrix na 2 by 2. So, we have 1, 1 yung diagonal and then 0 na lahat. Okay? So, tapos, i-apply lang natin yung pag nagmumultiply tayo ng matrix, di ba? Minumultiply natin itong row, tapos multiply sa column. Tapos i-add natin yon. 5 times A plus 3 times C. Okay, so therefore, we have, okay, so multiply natin itong dalawa. And then equal siya sa, dito sa square matrix natin, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay? So ito, i-distribute lang natin yung row papunta sa column. 5 times A, we have 5A plus 3 times C. So ito yan. Multiply natin dito. Multiply, tas i-add yung bawat element. No? So 5 times A, 5A plus 3 times C, we have 3C. Okay? So next, ito naman, first row, multiply natin dito. So we have 5B plus 3 times D, we have 3D. Okay. Next, ito namang 1, 4. So, 1 times A, we have A plus 4 times C. So, we have 4C. And then, dito naman sa kabilang column, 1 times B, we have B plus 4 times D, that is equal to 4D. So, ngayon, equate na lang natin itong magkatapat dito. Itong first entry natin dito sa product, equal siya dito. So therefore, magkakaroon tayo ng system of equation. So we have 5A plus 3C, that is equal to 1. Okay? And then, ito namang, itong sa baba, so we have A plus 4C equals 0. Okay, so ito, masasolve na natin yung A tsaka yung C. Tapos dito naman sa kabila, yung B at D, so we have 5B plus 3D, that is equal to 0. And then, itong sa baba, we have B plus 4D, that is equal to 1. Okay? So, we can use substitution. Dahil ito namang A lang itong nasa baba natin. No? So, lagyan nga natin na ng equation 1, equation 2, equation 3, and equation 4. So, just solve for the variable. So, solve for A in equation 2. So, we have A is equal to, lipat lang ito sa kabila. So, we have negative 4C. And then, i-substitute natin itong negative, A equals negative 4C sa equation number 1. So, we have 5 times the value of A is negative 4C. So, 5 times negative 4C plus 3C equals 1. So, 5 times negative 4C, we have negative 20C plus 3C equals 1. Combine natin ito. So, negative 20C plus 3C, that is negative 17C equals 1. Therefore, the value of C is, divide both sides by negative 17, we have negative 1 over 17. So, ito na yung value ng C. Now, substitute natin ito dito sa A equals negative 4C. So, therefore, ang value ng A ay equal sa negative 4 times the value of C, negative 1 over 17. So, therefore, the value of A is, just multiply, so we have positive 4 over 17. Okay? Next, dito naman tayo sa equation 3 and 4. Solve for b. So, lipat lang natin ito sa kabilang side. So, we have b is equal to negative may 1 pa pala dito. 1 minus 4d. And then, substitute the value of b in equation number 3. So, we have 5 times the value of b is 1 minus 4d plus 3d equals 0. Distribute this. So we have 5 minus 20d plus 3d equals 0. Combine this and then put 5 to the other side. So negative 20 plus 3d, we have negative 17d. 5 to the other side will become equals negative 5. And therefore, divide both sides by negative 17. The value of d is 5 over 17. Okay? And then last, substitute d equals 5 over 17 in this equation. So we have b is equal to 1 minus 4 times the value of d is 5 over 17. So we have, gawin natin itong 1 na 17 over 17 para same tayo na denominator, similar fraction, minus negative 4 times 5, we have 20 over 17. So therefore, the value of b is equal to 17 minus 20, we have negative 3 over 17. So therefore, ang inverse na ng matrix natin, ang inverse natin ay equal sa, sulat lang natin isa-isa, so 4 over 17. Next ay b, where is the value of b? So this is the b, negative 3 over 17. And then we have c is negative 1 over 17. And then last is 5 over 17. So this is now the inverse of this matrix 5, 3, 1, 4. So that is the first solution. And then meron pa tayong another solution in finding the inverse of a matrix gamit naman yung determinant. Okay? So pakita natin, verify natin kung magpaparehas dito. Okay, so another solution. Mas madali itong pangalawang solution. Kailangan lang kabisado nyo yung formula na gagamitin natin. Ang formula ng inverse ay equal sa 1 over determinant of A times the matrix is A, B, C, D. Yan, A, B, C, D. So the inverse of this matrix A, B, C, D equals 1 over determinant. Pagpalitin natin itong diagonal. Yung AD magiging siyang DA. Tapos itong BC magiging negative. So negative B, negative C. Okay? So tapos ang determinant, di ba? Ang determinant ng matrix A, yung main first diagonal natin, i-multiply ito AD, then subtract natin ito. Okay? So, ang formula para dito ay 1 over determinant. So, ibig sabihin niyan, 1 over product nito, AD, minus product na to, pataas naman. So, we have BC times this. So, we have D, negative B, negative C, A. Okay? So, substitute lang natin, mga given natin. So, given natin 5, 3, 1, 4. So, therefore, we have 1 over, multiply this, 5 times 4, we have 20, minus 1 times 3, so we have 3. And then, multiply natin dito, baligtarin daw natin itong 5 at 4, so magiging siyang 4 dito, and then yung 5 dito sa kabila, tapos gawin natin negative parehas ito. So we have negative 1, negative 3. And then, therefore, 20 minus 3, so 17 na lang yon. So therefore, ang inverse na natin ay equal sa, multiply lang natin sa 17. So we have 4 over 17. And then we have negative 3 over 17. And then we have negative 1 over 17. And then 5 over 17. Check nga natin. 4, negative 3, negative 1, 5. Okay, parehas sila ng answer. Okay? So that's all. So sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. At kung meron kayong math question ay i-comment nyo lang or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye!